Intuitive Solutions, where I teach you how to use your imagination along with your clairvoyance to find solutions and create change. So one thing I want to talk about, I'm all about solutions and problem solving, and I was working in an energetic space this morning, and I called this my problem space, or my solution space. And one thing that I saw me as an adult right now, but then I saw myself for as many years as I've been incarnated in this lifetime. So 37 kind of little self. So I started here, and then my 36-year-old self, my 35-year-old self, all the selves were kind of lined up to infancy. And I saw an infant when I came into the world that I had one problem to solve for that year as an infant, and kind of that I brought in with me to this lifetime to solve. And this agreement was created with the universe and with myself. So I agreed to solve this one problem. And so I'm 37 now, and then it looked like each year I had a new problem to solve at first. That's what I saw in this solution space. That there was a problem each year that I kind of grew and developed of a problem to solve. But looking further, what I saw was that it was the same problem that I'd come into life with, but that it had just manifested into many different ways. So the problem that I came to solve in this lifetime was anger, and more specifically, what to do with it and how it can be used. And throughout my lifetime, I have been in anger a lot. You know, I grew up in an alcoholic home, which made me angry. So anger has kind of weaved its way throughout my life. And there have been many ways that I have used anger. I have suppressed anger and not used it when it was there. I've pushed it down. I've expressed anger. I've physically expressed anger towards somebody. I've let anger kind of manifest in many different ways in my life, and have really explored it and have played with it. So what I did in this meditation is I took those problems in each of myself at 37, 36, 35, all the way to infancy, and I just removed them because I'm now done with that. I've solved that. But what happens is, whatever problem you come in with this lifetime to solve, and it can feel like there are many. It can feel like you are here to just solve so many things. But what it really is that first initial problem that you come in to solve, each year, it'll, say you're an infant to 1 to 2 to 3 years old, that problem will just feel like many different problems to solve. But what it's really doing is exploring itself. And so at age, 5, say you're at age 5, it's that same problem, but it's branched off and manifested itself in many different ways to kind of explore itself, and so that you can learn from it. So whatever problems or challenges you have in life, those you've created with an agreement with the universe to to solve. And you can let it go at any time and be done with it. But it feels like many problems at the same time, but really it's that one initial problem that you came in to solve, just expressing itself in many different ways throughout your many different ages. So, of course, for me as an infant, the anger wouldn't express itself too many ways. There's not much I could do with it. But at the age 20, I would be a lot more evolved and a lot more advanced. And it would express itself in many different ways for me to be able to explore it and work with it. So you may feel like you have many challenges and many different problems, but if you can find out what that core problem is that you came in to solve this lifetime, you'll see that it's really the root of the one problem that you came in to kind of play with and explore and solve and learn from in this lifetime. And some people will call that finding your life's purpose. I really feel that it's a way to explore yourself and kind of an aspect of yourself, and you're helping the universe grow and expand in the process, because the universe learns through you as well as you learn through the universe. But whatever challenge you're facing, it's really just a manifestation or kind of a break off or a branch of the one problem that you came in to solve when you came into this lifetime. So I hope that helps. Maybe you can do some exploration through meditation, or kind of see if you can see the theme, the one kind of thread throughout all of your problems that is similar. That will help you determine what your one kind of problem is that you came to solve in this lifetime. Have a good day.